What's going on, everybody? This is Drew with Mark's Appliance, and we got a dryer vent cleaning system. We're going to show you guys how to do it, some DIY. So let's get to it. Alright, so first thing you want to do, you want to keep your temperature, put that to fluff or no heat. And then you want to keep your dryer running. Doesn't really matter for how long, but start it up and then we'll get to brushing. Also too, another thing when cleaning your dryer vent, you're going to want to take like a vacuum, clean all this, kind of filth out of here, and yeah, get all this gunk out first. First thing what you're going to do, get a drill, and then obviously the dryer vent cleaning system. And then we're going to locate the dryer vent, take it off here, and then it's pretty gross in there. So we're going to clean that out. Alright, so get the brush head, get your drill, put it in that sucker, and then, oh shoot. There you go.
Good.
Alright guys, so all this fuzzy stuff right here, that's all stuck in that vent. So we're gonna take it out here. So we're gonna put in the brush, and then make sure your drill is on speed number 1, because if it's a little bit too fast, you're gonna screw up your dryer vent, and you don't want that to happen.
Go.
Just gonna make sure you want this bad boy tight, real tight. There you go. All right, guys, you guys want to make sure you're running your drill in the clockwise position. Otherwise, you're just gonna unscrew your extendo rods. You don't want to do that. All right, we're running second rod in here. Alright guys, we got our 2 rods in. It just really depends how deep your dryer vent is, if you want to put in more extra rods or if you have to. But we're going to take this one out because it's deep enough. Alright guys, so this is a pretty short run on this particular dryer vent. This home gets it done like probably every month. A lot of homes kind of forget about this type of thing. You pull out probably about 10 times of what we just pulled out here. So we got it out. No more fire hazard. You can sleep peacefully at night knowing your dryer vent is pretty clean. All right, now that we got this bad boy all cleaned up, your dryer is going to be running a lot more safer, much more efficient, and going to be good to go. If you're interested in this DIY project, we got these dryer vent cleaning systems at Mark's for $35. And if your job's too tough to handle for your own sake, we got a professional cleaning service, charge $150. Thank you guys for watching this first installment of DIY from Mark's Appliance. Make sure you guys are following us on Facebook and enrolling in our newsletter as well via email. We got some very exciting news coming up that we're very excited to share for you guys.